Just before we render our ruling in this matter, allow me to say the following. The Chief Justice would ordinarily be seated on that side with Nelson Harvey, President, Law Society of Kenya, but the Constitution requires that the Supreme Court shall be fully constituted if a minimum of 5 judges sit. We also have developed jurisprudence that a judge whose matter is being considered, or for any other reason, the nature of the application is such that it has to be heard, and there isn't quorum, that judge would sit. In our case today, the foregoing principle, of course, was set out in reply. Those of us who read precedents know that in today's proceedings, the Chief Justice is obliged to sit with us on this side because our sister, the Honorable Lady Justice Njoki, was completely unable to attend today's proceedings because of matters that she could not delegate to any other person. For that reason, therefore, and as a matter of necessity, the Chief Justice constitutes the bench so that we do not disobey the Constitution of Kenya 2010. That said, this is the ruling that we give in this matter with the subsequent necessary orders. The notice of motion under consideration, we find, is one that is merited, based as it is on the Constitution, the law, and the sound jurisprudence in similar institutions like ours across the world. In the premises, the application by Nelson Harvey, the President of the Law Society of Kenya, succeeds in its entirety, and the same is granted as prayed. For the avoidance of doubt, the Chief Justice, David Kenani Maraga, shall be deemed to retire at midnight tonight, the 11th day of January 2021. There shall be no order as to costs. Each party will bear its own costs. And these proceedings shall be made permanent records of the court, and a copy thereof shall be supplied to the Honorable, the retiring Chief Justice, David Kenani Maraga. It is so ordered.
My Lords, Judges of the Supreme Court, on behalf of the Law Society, I'm very grateful to the Court for having considered the application and made the appropriate orders. We are most obliged.
Thank you very much. Now that brings this morning's proceedings to a close, unless there is anybody present now who wishes to say anything by way of tribute, by way of anything to the Honorable the Chief Justice before we go to the next phase of today's events. There being nothing and no one wishing to speak, the court is adjourned.
Yeah, no appeal.